Alright, hey guys, here's a quick video here at my house in my living room. This is a Harbor Breeze Triton 52-inch ceiling fan here. It's really nice, it's white. I hate the white color, but it's still nice because my favorite color is not white. Yeah, but yeah. Here's the remote. There's the buttons for it. You have the on-off and the light, and you have this is actually a button which will it'll give you a minute to turn the light out, so you can do it too without turning it off. Let's call it. It gives you a minute to walk out, and then the light will automatically turn off. Here's the thing for it. We didn't put it on the wall yet. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start up now. Turn on a minute. Huh? Oh, I gotta turn the switch on here. There we go. Oh, yeah, you have so you can. There's some kind of special bulbs in there, so this one won't dim. There's special kind of light bulbs, so it won't dim. I'm sorry. I have another one in my house. I'll make a video of it, and it has some that can dim. So we'll turn it off now, but we'll start on low here. Oh, one more thing. If you see the switch, you have the switch right there. You have to do that itself on the fan. But this fan, there's no pull chains. It's only a remote. So we'll go ahead and turn it on now. So we'll start on low. Here we go. It's really nice and quiet. That's low. Medium. Low is pretty cool air. It really has a quiet motor. We'll turn it on. Alright, now we're going to turn it on high. There it goes. It's on the highest speed now. Turn on it. It does wobble and shake a little bit on high. Really nice. Alright, now we'll cut the fan on medium. Now we'll turn it. There we go. That's the fan. Now we'll turn it off. Yeah, once again, there's some special bulbs in there that the light won't dim. They have to be special kinds, but yeah. There's the fan. Pretty much that. Go ahead and stop it. There's the top of it, there's the motor. Sorry about that. Alright. Now I'll put it like there. Alright, y'all. Until then, that's it for right now. That's my fan here in my house. So right now, that's it for that fan. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That's it.